What's up, YouTube? Funnel Doc here. Today I'm going to be talking about the Clickfunnels affiliate program, how much you can make, how you can use it, what it does, how you can sign up, basically everything you need to know about how you can become Clickfunnels affiliate and how you can start making money today. See you inside the video.
Some dude, Jeffrey M. Benek, he just got a Clickfunnels tattoo.
What's up, everybody? Funnel Doc. So to get to the Clickfunnels affiliate program, you want to go to https://affiliates.clickfunnels.com. So you just want to go to affiliates.clickfunnels.com, or you can just Google Clickfunnels affiliate and the link will pop up right there at the top. So when you do that, you'll come to this page right here. Now, this is going to go over the different ways that the commission is actually structured for Clickfunnels affiliates. So when you first start out, and now before I get into this, for anyone that doesn't know what affiliate is, an affiliate is when you take somebody else's products, like what I'm going to show you right here, and you sell them using a special link that's attributed to your specific number and name so that you'll be able to get credit for it. So basically, when you become an affiliate, you get a specialized link or URL that is attached to you. And when someone uses that, you'll get credit for the sales. So it's basically you promoting other people's product using this special link. And it allows you to be able to promote, like me, things that I believe in, things that I use in. I'm like, well, if I'm talking about it anyway, if I use it all the time, why not promote it? And this allows someone like me or you to be able to get this link, pass it out to our friends, our different followers, people that are in our ecosystems, and allows us to actually monetize that. And like I said, if you don't believe in it, I would never recommend being an affiliate for something that you don't believe in. It's just not good. It's not right. But the other thing is, a lot of times people ask me about it when we're talking about affiliates here. Do I need to actually be a ClickFunnels user? Now, the answer to that is two-part. Really, no, you don't have to be a ClickFunnels user to be an affiliate for it. You don't need a ClickFunnels account at all. But with that being said, if you're going to affiliate for this product, I highly recommend that you get to know it, that you understand it, that you can answer questions about it. Because here's the deal, is you're becoming an affiliate for it and you're signing people up, they're going to have questions about the product. And if you can't answer it, there's an incongruency there, and it just doesn't come off as authentic. So I highly recommend using the products regularly that you affiliate for, and make sure that you know about them, because it's going to help for you to be able to talk about the good things, the highlights, why people should use it, and why people should buy the product that you're being an affiliate for. With that, let's jump into how ClickFunnels works. So when you first start out, you're going to start out at 20% commission on purchase of ClickFunnels subscription, and you get 40% of the front end products. Now, right here, you start out with 40% commission, and this is right here for .com secrets, the books, expert secrets, or anything that's in these funnels. And I'm going to talk about how to get to these links and stuff here in just a minute. Now, you get 40% commission and on these front end offers, and then also you get 100% commission. You actually make $100 when someone signs up for the One Funnel Way or the 30-day challenge. New funnel ClickFunnels affiliates, you only get 20% on your reoccurring ClickFunnels subscriptions. So when you first start out, you're going to get 40% on these offers right here, and then you get $100 on each one of these that you sell. But on someone signs up underneath you as an actual membership, they have what's called a badge affiliate. See this little link right here? This is how someone would go. They'd click on this, and this would take them to the ClickFunnels sign up page, and it'd be attached to your account. You'll see these in different video in the bottom of your funnels. Whenever you launch a funnel in ClickFunnels, these are automatically on. And we'll talk in later videos of how you can be a good affiliate and how you can actually promote and all that good stuff. But today I just want to go over the basic overview of ClickFunnels ClickFunnels and how it works. So again, first starting out, the main thing you're going to be promoting are the books, and you're going to be getting 40% of those. Anyone that happens to sign up on your link or through any of your process that signs up for ClickFunnels on the monthly reoccurring membership, you're going to get 20% of that starting out. And then you make $100 for every one funnel away or 30 days sign up that you get. These two, especially starting out, are the most profitable, and I recommend starting out and going towards those right off the bat. We're going to talk about that in just a second. Once you have earned $1,000 in commission, you can apply to be approved for 30%. That will move up these guys down here, the monthly reoccurring that was at 20, you'll move up to 30%. The cool thing about that is if you do one funnel away challenges, if you can just sell 10 of them, you'll automatically hit that 1,000. Not only will you make a quick $1,000, which is super cool, you just need to sell 10 of them. Think friends, family, business employees, business people you know, people that are online trying to get their info products, their passion, their ideas, anything that people will pay you for a service, you can use ClickFunnels. If you need sales or if you need new customers or leads, you can use ClickFunnels. So think about that. So the one funnel way walks you through how to come up with your offer and build out the funnel, like everything you basically need to get started for your first try with ClickFunnels. So $100, every one of those you sell, it costs $100, you get $100. So I recommend going out, pushing initially. If you want to be a ClickFunnels affiliate and start making money with them, push initially one funnel away challenges, boom, you make $1,000 and you'll automatically, you'll hit this level, the 30%. So that's one way, literally within your first 30 days, you can not only make $1,000, but you can go from the 20% tier up to the second level tier, which is the 30%. Now, once you get 40 active ClickFunnels members, so again, initially focus on the one funnel away challenge because it's going to be high return on investment. But as soon as that's over, keep going that way because you can make a lot of money. I've done okay, and I've known tons of people that make tens of thousands of dollars. You sign up 100 people, you just made 10 grand. So anyway, I would still do that, but also you want to shift or split your focus now, half on like OFA or one funnel away. OFA stands for one funnel away. And then start going towards ClickFunnels actual members and retaining and keeping them because you're going to need to hit 40 of them. Now, once you hit 40 of them, you will then get to go up to the 40% tier, and you'll be able to promote at that point using your ClickFunnels ID. Before that, the only way people, as far as I know, they may have changed it, but as far as I know, at the 20% and 30%, the only way you can promote is using these badges initially. Now, once you hit 40%, they'll give you access to, I believe, the whole ClickFunnels layout. I'll have to double check on that. But so once you log in, this is the basic outline, and I'm going to go into a minute ago and show you behind the scenes how it looks and everything. Now, on this page, you're going to want to check this out. These are 5 ethical ways to be an awesome ClickFunnels affiliate. If you click right here, you'll see it will give you examples of how to promote. Highly recommend that because you want to make sure you stay within ClickFunnels terms of service. Back in the day when we first started out with this journey 4 years ago or whatever, you had a lot more leeway, let's say, of how you wanted to promote ClickFunnels because they were still starting out, they were still new. But now, with ClickFunnels being $1 billion company and trying to get everything in line, they have to get the affiliates in line too. So I highly recommend you reading this PDF right here. And then we've got the fastest ways for success. This is the ClickFunnels group. They call it the Avengers group. I'm a member right here. You'll see when you log in. This is what that looks like. They have trainings, all types of cool stuff. You can ask tons of questions in here. There's 90,000 members, so you'll be able to get everything you need about affiliates in there. If you want, you can also go to my personal group. The link's down in the description. I do training on affiliate stuff there. So either way, you'll be covered. There's one of the groups. And then this is for the affiliate boot camp. What this is they asked, I believe it was 30, let me check, 30 people, I think it was. It was like 15. Anyway, yeah, it's 15. They went through and asked these 15 people, what would you do if you had to start again to be able to build your affiliate empire? And they gave different ways that they do it. These are really good, different outlines and different ideas. Like Joe Marfugio, hopefully I'm saying that right, Joe, hopefully I'm not messing your name up. He talks about YouTube, like JR talks about organic Facebook, Marley talks about YouTube, Spencer talks about search, we got Time Hacks that talks about all different ways that you can that they recommend and how they got their affiliate dream status to 100. So they talk about their different strategies. So highly recommend doing this. Again, both of those are free. And then the other thing is that you want to have your different books that you can see how they're promoting them here. I always recommend looking and seeing how ClickFunnels is promoting. They have spent a lot of money perfecting it, but again, and we'll get into promoting affiliate later, you want to be able to distinguish yourself from everyone else. So now, once you've actually signed up as affiliate, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Now, mind you, I haven't really done a lot of promotion over the last 2 years with COVID, and then with me going to high level, checking them out, and decide not to come back, and then to come back because ClickFunnels is the best. I hadn't promoted like in 2 years, but with that being said, I've made almost $35,000 as a ClickFunnels affiliate with very little effort. I'm not even joking. Like little minimal effort, 35 grand. And even right now, I'm still getting $500 a month, $600 a month. And again, this is the first promotional video for ClickFunnels I've done in quite some time. I haven't been promoting it. It's just been on autopilot. They've just been handing me money. It's like the greatest thing. So when you come in, you log in, you'll see here, this is what it looks like. It's got all the different offers that you can promote. Yours will probably look different. I've been with ClickFunnels for, like I said, 4 years. In the last 2, I haven't promoted that much, but with ClickFunnels in the last 4 years, and I've got access to pretty much everything. So yours might look a little different as far as what's highlighted, what you can get access to. Also, I don't believe you'll be able to go to ClickFunnels Affiliate Center yet because as a new person, you're not able to use that. But we'll see. I would have to look in. Maybe I'll make another account and check it out. So but say you wanted, and then these are all your promotional tabs. So if you wanted to say promote, like I was saying, the One Funnel Way Challenge, you come right here and you see this button that says affiliate tools and links. You click that. And this is the cool thing. This is your affiliate link right here. I would highly recommend going to bit.ly or some type of link shortener and putting it there so you've got a way you can share it easier without sharing this link. But this is your special, like this is my ID number right here. If you want to use my ID number, you'll just pay me. So cool, go ahead and do that. But this is my specific ID number. Whatever your ID number is right there is the link that's going to link your affiliate stuff to you so you can get paid for it. And as you can see, for every person that signs up, you get $100. ClickFunnels is really cool because they give you different graphics you can use. Like here's for Instagram, different social media. They even give you email swipe copy to use. When you're just starting out, use the email swipe copy, especially if you're not a copy person. Anything's better than nothing. As you get better and more skilled, I recommend you start to write this copy on your own. You can use theirs as a base, but build on it and you want your affiliate ecosystem and everyone coming in, even though it's their products, to know you and relate you to those products. But ClickFunnels is great. They give you a lot of stuff that you can use. If you go to the affiliate one right here, this is what it'll look like when you actually can start promoting ClickFunnels. You'll see here's how many dream cars. See, I've only got like 6 people signed up right now. My goal is within the next 6 months, year max, I'm going to have it maxed out so I can get the dream car. And when you do, by the way, we'll talk about the dream car. When you get 100 reoccurring memberships, you get the dream car award, which is this cool steering wheel award. But what's even cooler than the award is they give you an extra $500 a month to go towards the car of your dreams. And they have a list of all the different cars and stuff in the actual description of that. You can go right here to Dream Car Rules and find out all about that. And then when you get up to 200 members reoccurring, they give you $1,000 extra a month on top of all your other payments and bonuses and all that other stuff. Not many other bonuses, but other special payments you're getting, whether it's OFA or reoccurring or whatever it is. So here's the different affiliate links that you can have for these different funnel builders, the 14-day trial and the secret funnel strategy webinar. You come down here and these are your 14-day trial pages. If you click this right here, you'll see here's all the different types. So maybe you work in coaching and consulting or e-commerce, or you just want the regular. I use the regular page that they have. I know they put a lot of money into testing it and it works. So I use this guy right here, which here, let me show it to you. Copy it. We'll open this up in incognito. If you aren't in incognito and you try and go to your link, it'll just open up your ClickFunnels account. So you have to go to incognito. So this is the ClickFunnels main page, but you'll see right here is my affiliate ID. So that's really how you know if it's working, is if your affiliate ID number is right there. So this is the one that I use, but maybe you don't. Maybe you want to use the ecom one right here. So mind you, this is your custom link. You'll see this is where I copied it. Now let's see what the ecom one looks like. If we do another ecom, now if I do the ecom one, see there, this was a link they used to have where they ask you what type of funnel you wanted, and then you go to here and see now they've got ecom case studies. And then once you get out of this, it'd be all ecom stuff below it. I don't want to put my name and get on the list again, but it'd be all ecom below it. I again recommend one of the ones, unless you have a highly specialized niche, I would recommend using one of the straight short trial or the ClickFunnels trial page. These are other banners that you can use. If you click right here, you'll see there's actually code that you can come and paste in. All different banners, email swipe again. It talks about the different funnel builder secrets and the funnel builder and the secret funnel strategy webinars. Again, those are just leads into the ClickFunnels ecosystem. The cool thing too is realize they have upsells and downsells in these funnels. And if you happen to get any of the sales in that, you will get a percentage of that as well. So for instance, because you can promote the books, let's look at, say, Traffic Secrets, which is the newest book that Russell put out. What you'd want to do is, here's your ID, but you'll see here it's broken down. If you're getting 40%, you can earn up to $264, which is 40% of the total cart value. That means if everybody bought everything along the way, it equal this amount and you'd make this amount. Mind you, you're going to get half of that because you're starting out at 20%, but you could still earn $132.20 as a 20% person. And then if they bought anything along the way, whatever they buy, like I said, you get a percentage of. And here's the tools for that. So mind you, right off the bat, if you happen to get someone to sign up for the free book offer, you would actually, and they bought everything, you can make $132 right out of the bat. So just keep in mind, these are different options. Don't worry about these advanced options right now. We'll get into that later, where we get the sub IDs and all this type of stuff. Well, I'll talk about it real quick right now. If you have these, what you can do is if you look inside your link, so say we look in this one, see it says affiliates right here. It says sub 1, sub 2. What you can do is, if you want to be able to track where you're using your links, I can come in here and I could write, say, Facebook, and then I could say like a date. Maybe it's today's date, which is the 31st, 2021. So now, if you look right here and I do it and I get it again, let's try it again, make sure it's refresh. You'll see right here, look, sub Facebook and then the date. And the reason why you do that is because that allows you later to be able to specifically see when people signed up, and they'll have these different tags on them when they sign up as well. So it allows you to track and see where actual affiliates are coming from. So make sure, if you're doing a lot of different links, I would come in here and actually use the different sub IDs so that you're able to track what medium and where you're using your different links easier, because that will change up this custom link. Again, that's only if you're getting really advanced and you're running this over everywhere. If it's not everywhere, I would just use this main one. Like I said, use a Bitly or something like that. So hopefully you enjoyed this video explaining to you all about ClickFunnels, how you can become a ClickFunnels affiliate, how much you can make, and what you need to do. We're going to have future videos coming up with how to make an affiliate bridge page, all the different ways to promote and actually sell. And as ClickFunnels comes up and we get closer to Funnel Hacking Live, we'll be talking about promoting ClickFunnels itself. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please smash that subscribe button, turn on that little notification bell for me so that you'll know when I get live. Make sure you put it on all so you don't miss any videos. Thanks again for watching. It's a pleasure making these videos. I have so much fun doing it. If you have any questions about ClickFunnels, about being an affiliate, please hit me down in the description or down in the comments. It's very important. There's a lot of links down in the description about ClickFunnels, about my stuff, and about me. Please check them out. Watch the rest of my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a very amazing day, and Funnel Doc out.